Hello children and welcome to the session today. Children, we have learned about the different components of English grammar, the very basics till now. Today, we are going to learn about a concept that modifies many other parts of English grammar. What is it? We are going to study adverbs in this chapter and the kind of adverbs. Before we learn about the adverbs, let us quickly revise a few things. So, we have learned about adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that tell us more about a noun. So, if I say a beautiful girl, girl is a noun and the word beautiful describes how the girl is. So, the word beautiful becomes an adjective. Next, let's talk about verbs. So, what are verbs? Verbs are the words that tell us what action is taking place. So, if I say run or I say talk, what are these? These are verbs. Now, what are adverbs? Adverbs are like modifiers. Modifiers are the words which add more to the meaning of other words. So, adverbs here modify the meaning of adjectives, verbs, and even themselves. How? Let us see. If I say, very beautiful girl, beautiful was an adjective. How beautiful? Very beautiful. So, the word very modifies the adjective beautiful. It is an adverb. Similarly, talking about verbs now. I use the verb run. Now, how was the child running? The child was running fast. This word fast modifies the meaning of the verb run. This becomes a modifier or an adverb. Similarly, how was the child talking? The child was talking slowly. Slowly modifies the verb talk. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a verb that modifies the meaning of an adjective, of a verb. And how does it modify the meaning of an adverb? Let's see that also. So, when I say that I was never completely unaware, I use the word never with completely. Completely is an adverb. Never completely. So, never becomes the adverb that modifies another adverb. So, that is how the adverbs are. Now, a very interesting thing to note is that adverbs usually end in ly. Not always. So, if you were to write fastly, that would be incorrect English. So, please remember that most adverbs end in ly, not all. What are the 5 questions that the adverbs answer? They answer the questions W2H3. What does this mean? This means what, when, how much, and how frequently. And these are the kinds of adverbs that we are going to study today. So let us look at the following examples. The peacock dances gracefully. How does the peacock dance? The peacock dances gracefully. The army marched forward. Where did the army march? Forward. How does the snail walk? Slowly. So, gracefully, forward and slowly are all adverbs. Now, what are the kinds of adverbs? Let us first understand adverbs of manner. The captain fought bravely. In what manner did the captain fight? He fought bravely. Akbar writes neatly. How does Akbar write? He writes neatly. Here, essentially, the ly words become the adverbs of manner. So, adding ly to quiet makes it quietly, easy makes it easily, neat makes it neatly, and cruel makes it cruelly. So, quietly, easily, neatly, and cruelly are adverbs of manner. Now, let's understand about adverbs of time. They answer the question when. He called me. When? Yesterday. I met her. When? Today. Here are a few more examples of adverbs of time. Today, tomorrow, then, early, late, before. Adverbs of place. Now, this indicates where. The bird flew away. So, away becomes an adverb of place. I met her there. Where did I meet her? There. Similarly, everywhere, anywhere, in, out, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs, below and above are all adverbs of place. Please note that when you say look below, where do you look? Here, below is an adverb. If you use below in a sentence like underline the below sentences. Here, the word below is not an adverb. Why? Because it is modifying the meaning of the word sentences, which is a noun. So, here, below becomes an adjective. In the next example, our garage is below the kitchen. In this example, below is a preposition because it tells the relation of two nouns, the relation between garage and the kitchen. So it becomes a preposition, not an adverb. The next is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. Like, he rarely goes to the park. She is frequently late for school. He often goes to the cinema. What are the other examples? Always, usually, hardly, never, ever.